to start any application, okay, any like either report if you want to create it, either database table, either form, anything we have to use one application code. That application code we are calling transaction code. Okay, transaction code. Okay, let me start with that. So this is a code only. Okay, last class I explained about a front end screen. Okay, the front end screen, it contains a like a command field, menu bar, standard toolbar, and as well as title bar, and as well as application toolbar. Okay, then message bar. Message bar means like any messages. If you enter any wrong T code, it will show here. Okay, one message. Okay, one message that we can call a message bar. Okay, now here, what exactly here we will enter? Here we will enter the code name. SAP is defined already, designed so many transaction code. Okay, those transaction code is delivered by SAP. If you want to see that particular transaction code by using some tools, some using by ABAP Workbench, by using development, okay, we can see those transaction code like this. Means navigation we can go like, but as ABAP, we never navigate. We never navigate like this transaction code wise. Sorry, navigation wise. Why means we always use the direct transaction code. We will remember those transaction code because here only some transaction codes only they inserted here. Okay, that's why we never go for like path wise. This path used by functional consultant, like material management consultant, like sales and distribution, like logistics, like production. These people they can use it here. Okay, now I'm going to explain here some concept name called ABAP. Okay, like first concept this is okay, ABAP dictionary. Okay, ABAP dictionary. What is the meaning of ABAP dictionary? Okay, what is meaning? ABAP dictionary. This ABAP dictionary, it is nothing but it is a combination of database tables. It is a database table. Okay, database tables, views, structures, okay, data elements, okay, domains, okay, domains, search helps. Okay, yes, next. Okay, structures, data element, type groups, okay, type groups, and as well as log objects. This is related to admin related, but even we can discuss the theoretical related. These all concepts, all concepts we will learn under ABAP dictionary. Okay, ABAP dictionary. If you want to create database table, first you have to understand the table related information. Let me discuss first. If you want to start this ABAP dictionary related, we have to learn transaction codes. Transaction codes related to ABAP dictionary. Okay, dictionary. Okay, in this we can use different transaction codes. Last class I told you under command field we will enter the code. It's here SC11. If I enter SC11, you can see here one name. This is ABAP dictionary initial screen. Okay, the same path you can go like pathwise also. You can see here tools under ABAP workbench, under development, see same T code it is there. Okay, ABAP dictionary it is there. All transaction code they are not inserted here. Okay, some transaction code they inserted. This is nothing but a ABAP dictionary. Okay. If you observe now here, SC12 is not there, SC13 it is not there, SC14 it is not here. Okay, testing, SC12, SC13, SC14, SC16, SC69. It is not maintained in this particular transaction code wise. That's what I will do. I will give you a clear list of the transaction code. SC12 also ABAP dictionary only, SC12. But difference is there. Here we can create it, we can change it, we can display it. But here we can only display. Okay, only do it. You can display. SC30 is okay, like the T codes list are there. What is the meaning of display? Let's see. I told you here, let's see 11. Okay, SC11. If you see here SC11, we have display option, change option, create. That only I have written here. Display, change it, okay, create. Meaning you can create the table, you can change the table, you can create, you can display the table, even you can delete the table, you can copy the table. Any actions are related to tables or views or data type, we can do by using these actions. Okay, by using these actions. This is about the ABAP dictionary. Okay, this is about the ABAP dictionary. Now the same T code, if I open, like I told you, multiple sessions you can open. Okay. Under this SC12 is a T code. If you observe here, only we have option is okay, display is here. This is SC11 only ABAP dictionary. This is SC12. This is SC12. This is also ABAP dictionary, but here we have authorizations only display. There is no delete, there is no copy. Here this is delete, this is copy. No delete, no change, no create. Means SC12 is also ABAP dictionary only for display button. Okay, only display button. Like that, we have different transaction codes are there. SC13, okay, SC13. SC13 is maintain categories that we can call maintain technical settings. We can call. What is the use of technical settings? Okay, technical settings are nothing but to maintain which type of table that is. Okay, which type of information that is. Like example LFA1. What is the size? Size of the table. Size means is it like how many records you are going to maintain? Is 10,000 records or 1 lakh records or 10 lakh records or 1 crore records? To maintain that information, to maintain information of the table, this all you will learn in coming session. This just only today some list I am giving. This is we can call maintain technical settings. We can call maintain technical settings. Okay, next, this is the main use of this one. Okay, to maintain the size of the database table. Size of the, in coming sessions you will learn you will understand all the codes once if you are perfect with the data dictionary. These are all just one word, just 1 minute concept. But this is main. Okay, this is ABAP dictionary is main. Okay. Next, these are all supporting related projects. Okay, supporting questions, interview questions. This is we can call SC14 is okay, database utility. Okay, database utility. Here database utility means like sometimes a table will be inactive. Like okay, like any table Mara display. Okay, this is it is inactive state. Inactive state. Okay, if you activate here, if we click activate here, sometimes it won't activate because it won't adjust the database. If you want to activate standard tables, okay, by adjusting the database structure, we can use here this option. Okay, activate purpose. We can adjust the database also. Any modifications if you do, that modifications compulsory, you have to do those particular database utility. Okay, database utility. This is what we can call activate option. Okay, activate option SC14. Okay, like that. Now the SC16. Okay, this is just today you will learn some SC16 and SC16 also. SC16 and SC16. This is we can call data browser. Okay, data browser to check the content. To check the data browser to check content. Content means data. Okay, to check the data, direct data, we can check it. Okay. Even SC16 also same like SC16N, that is general. SC16 general table display. This is also to check the data only for data display purpose. But here you can see in SC11 and SC13, SC11 and SC13, SC16 and SC16N, we can see by using these T codes, we can see the field information and data also we can see, and data both. Okay, field information and data. Under field information means once again data types you can see, and length of the field we can see, the length of the field you can see, and data. But here we can see only data, okay, not field informations. Okay, data type and the data types and the length, LENCT. Okay, sorry, this is spelling mistake. Okay, length and the data we can see. But here we can see by using this one, SC16 and SC16, only data we can see. Okay, only data. 1 second, charging a little bit. Okay, next. Okay, SC16, SC16 like that. SM30, this is very important code which we can use frequently for supporting related projects. Okay, for like maintenance you can call maintenance. Okay, view, maintenance view, MENS. So maintenance view, this is mainly for solving issues. Okay, solving issues, table related issues. Okay, table related issues. You will see that table related issues also in coming sessions. We will solve by using SM30. And to maintain the data also, to maintain the bulk data. To maintain bulk data. Means like uploading data, you can call uploading data. You can use it. Like this same, okay, SCM. Okay, these are all the SM30 transaction codes. Next, SC55 it is here, one more type code, SC55. SC, okay, 55. That is you can call generate table maintenance. Okay, view we can call. Means if you, this is also an interview question. Okay, SC55, generate table maintenance. Okay, generate table maintenance and maintenance view related. Okay, maintenance view related. Both are same. This is here you can create the maintenance view, but here you can create the table related information. Okay, you can create the table maintenance. Okay, view screen. Okay, view screen. Okay, these are all the and then next. Okay, SE80. Okay, this is also very important. Repository browser. Repository browser. Okay, repository browser. This is to create folders. To create folders. Folders means package. Package information. Here package is nothing but a folders. Okay, package nothing but folder. Okay, SC80. These all transaction codes, it will become under data dictionary related concepts. All, okay, we will learn in this. Okay, next coming week. This week. Next week full. This week. Next week we will start the basic related programming. First, okay, we will try to concentrate on tables. Then once if we are good with all this one, maybe next week also Monday or Tuesday, maybe it may extend based on our timings, based on our exercises. maybe next week, Monday and Tuesday also it will extend this concept. We need at least 7 to 8 classes for this particular data dictionary only. Okay, once if we are perfect with this data dictionary, then we will start the coding related. For that, before that, first you have to be very strong with the data dictionary. What is table? How to do this particular tables? All. Today, I'll try to give all the table related information. What is standard table? What is customized table? Everything. Okay. What is data table? What is length? Okay. Tomorrow I'll start one exercise. Okay. Tomorrow onwards. Okay. Tomorrow onwards technically. Today only I'll start with how to check the data base table. Okay. Now these all are, I told you, transaction codes. Transaction codes. These codes are delivered by SAP. Okay. These codes are delivered by SAP. But if you want to design your own transaction code, you can design your transaction code, okay, as a customized, as a developer. That transaction codes we can call customized transaction codes. These all are standard transaction codes. These are all you can call standard transaction code. Customized transaction codes are nothing but either Z or Y letters. Okay, either Z or Y letters. Okay, Y letters. We can start. Okay, we can start by using these 2 letters only. We can use it. Okay, that is our customized transaction codes. Okay, those transaction codes are nothing but, let me show one. Okay, which I have shown in last class also. So this is a one table, Z table. Okay, Z table is a customized. Z is started here. Okay, here I told you Z R Y. Okay, Z R Y. Here, if we enter here Z. Okay, tab if I enter here. Z tab is okay. I think is not developed. I think Z insert. I think somebody is not designed. Z all. Okay, nobody is designed. Okay, let me show only one which I designed. Okay, previous class. Z table for old transfer. Yeah, this is the table. This is my design, my own. Okay, like customer I want to enter here. If I enter my customer data, the same customer information it will show in the form of table. Okay, in the form of table. Okay, table. That if I click here display, it will show that. Okay, this is our own information. Means our own information. We are like one is table. This is one table. This is one table data. 2 table data I linked here by using display option and by using exit option. I can use it this table. This type of code we are calling. Okay, this type of code we are calling Z or Y letter. If it is starting by seeing letters, Z table it is that. So Z table is T code. The table is T code, not table. Table means that is a table control we can call. This is a T code. This type of if it is started with the Z, those are all customized transaction code. This is all we can call. T codes or customized transaction codes. Okay, this is about the transaction code list. The same way, I'm giving another concept name for database tables. You can call concept name is predefined. Yesterday night I sent you on PDF. Those tables only you can call predefined database tables. Or standard database tables or SAP delivered tables, delivered database tables. Delivered database tables. Here we have 3 names. Okay, don't confuse here with the naming conventions. Any name, either they can call either standard, either they can call either standard or predefined, either they can call as SAP delivered. Okay, SAP delivered. Any name. Okay, all are same. Okay, all are same. Meaning those tables they used naming convention is A to X letters. A to X letters. If it is any table is starting with A to X letters, you can easily identify those tables are delivered by SAP. Okay. those tables. I will write it here, some tables for your reference purpose. Okay, now I am going to explain the database table. Database table. Here, what is meaning of means a material management application. Like in industry, okay, we as a ABAPer, we can support for, means if we are working in ABAP also, we can support for people, we can support for the SD people, we can support for the PICO people, we can support for PP, we can support for HR also, we can support for PM. All types of consultant, they will ask the requirement, okay, based on that requirement, we'll code for this guys, we'll code for this guys. If you want to code for these particular okay, like functionality related applications, as ABAP, first you have to know table related information. If we are working table related information we have to know. Okay, table related. Those under tables, I am giving some important list. Okay, important list. Okay, as per the yesterday document which I sent you, 29 pages document, it is okay. Related tables is started on from 14th or 15th page, I think. If you check that 14th or 15th page, tables are there in that. Okay, those tables are like LFA1. LFA1 is here. Which letter is started here first? First letter is L. L means okay, standard table. You have to identify. L means standard table. So that standard table means that is vendor. Okay, master table. That's it. These are how to check this all the table list. Okay, this all tables we can check by using okay, SC11 concepts. All these tables we can check by using SC11 or SC12 or SC16 or SC16N. Okay, by using these 4 transaction codes, we can check this table list. Okay, this table list. Okay, any table list, not only this one, any table list. Understood my point? Means any tables, either tables, either SD tables, either PP tables, we can use SC11, SC12, SC16, SC16N transaction codes. SC16N transaction codes. Now, under that, LFA1 is a table. Okay, like this. Next, LFA1 is a database table. EKKO. This also see here E is starting data. That is purchasing document header table. Okay, header table. Okay, like that we have the list is there. EKPO. Okay, EKPO, purchasing document item table. MERA. This you can write down clearly some tables. Okay, material. These are all the material master table. Okay, MERC. Material plant database table. Material plant table. Okay, MERD. Material storage location. Okay, material storage location. Maybe some description may be different, but storage is main. Okay, storage is main. Okay, maybe in database, MERC means they will give according to the description. No need to worry about that. Okay, don't confuse that. Yes, here MERC. I have written there. Okay, that is a plant table. Let's see. Same thing here. Okay, plant data. Maybe description may be opposite. They have written plant data for material. They have written, but no issue. Even if it is that one, just plant is the main. Okay, plant. Okay, that is material plant related information or plant for material data. Okay, plant for material data. Like that also. Okay, so like same way. Storage location. Okay, storage location means the main concept you have to remember, that MERD. MERD means only what is the information. It is related to storage. That storage, if you remember, that is more than enough. Okay, no need to remember that part. Otherwise, if you want, you can write down the same description only by checking this particular. Okay, this is also. Okay, this is the plant. Okay, plant data for material. And storage, MERD is nothing but storage location for table. Where we are checking this all the information, all these tables list, okay, by using here SC11. Okay, SC11. Let me show one more. SC11 is a code. there you have to enter the table. Here database table is there. Under table, this lists all list one by one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Add one here 6. Still I will use some table. If you want to check those tables, you have to enter the table name. You have to click here display button. You have to click here display. Once if you click display, it will show all the field information. This is one table. This is one table. It is related to storage information around material related tables. It is having almost 51 database fields are there. Okay, 51 database tables. Like it depends upon the table. It depends upon the table. All table fields will vary. Okay, all table fields like MERC. Okay, MERC. Okay, 243 fields are there. 243 means means based on table. This field names will be vary. Just we never remember all 243 fields. For each table, if you want to remember 243 fields, okay, not possible. That's what, if you know the table related information, only information, even if you don't know also, okay, no issue. Just if you enter here MA star and F4, okay, F4, it will show all MA related database tables. It will show clearly. See, total MA related tables are there. 154 fields are there in database. You can easily identify your table. Okay, if you go to the down, okay, down. Okay, just go to down here. Little bit. Okay, see here, Mara. Okay, you can easily material master table. MERC I want to see. MERC. Plant data for material. MERD I want to see. Okay, just go down. MERD. Okay, storage location. Like that, you can easily identify all the field information. Just your work is just if you know the first 2-letter fields. Like example, now I want to see the KNA1 related, but I don't know all the information. KN if I know, just put star that F4. KNA1 related whatever are there total. All information it will show. You can see here. This is a one more. Okay, KNA1 is nothing but customer general data in customer master. But I have written here. Sorry, I did not write customer related. These are all related SD module. Like that. If it is okay, LF star means like LF. I told you here. LFA1. Okay, LFA1. LFA1 means vendor master. Put star F4. You can see almost 35 hits are there. Okay, LFA1 is nothing but a vendor master general screen. Okay, general screen, that is a LFA1. Okay, LFA1. This is like that. LFB1 is nothing but another very important table. Vendor master company code related. Okay, LFBK another one very important. Okay, is vendor master bank data. Okay, bank data. Like this, some important. Okay, here LFB1 means okay, LFB1 is nothing but a vendor master. Okay, vendor master. Okay, company code data. LFBK is nothing but BK means there only bank is there. Okay, LFBK. This is also vendor. Okay, vendor master bank information. Okay, bank information. Okay, if you are going to show some experience, better try to remember the transaction code more. Okay, transaction mode. If you are searching for at least as a fresher or some other any references, no need to remember all the tables and all the transaction code. But if you are going to show some 4 plus 3 plus, okay, at least okay, you have to remember each module. Like here I have written some module. I have written 8 to 10 tables. I will write it here. So those tables related you can remember. Next I will write it as SD tables also. Next I will write it like that. Some table related, at least 20 tables or 30 tables if you are very strong. Then same table related information you will explain to the interviewer. Same tables only you will explain there. Okay, that is why means because they will ask application what report you generated. Means I generated with the vendors with purchase document data. Okay, then they will ask questions. What are the vendor fields are there? What are the purchase document fields are there? How this primary key is connected? How this foreign key is connected? Requirement they will ask. Okay, everyone can remember. If they can they can easily remember all. But in that fields means what, why that requirement, that purchase order see, why you have to see. Okay, this type of functionality related also they will ask. For that you have to try to remember some transaction code, very important T codes, this type of T codes. Okay, these are all 111 is one question. So okay, 11 is one question. SM30 is one question. SM69 is one question. SC11 is one question. SC80 is one question. Okay, these tables are looked at questions. Next. Okay, next. This is all LFB1, LFBK, LFM1. Okay, vendor master data purchasing organization we can call. Okay, LFM1 means the purchasing organization. So this is directly I can copy. These tables are compulsory as a. This table name is LF. Okay, M1. Okay, LF1 is the purchasing organizations. Like that. Next summary. Okay, two more are there. Okay, let me give that one also. EINA, that is purchase. Okay, info record, purchase info record. EINB, EINA. Okay, EINA is okay, purchase data, purchase organization data, PO organization. Okay, data, purchase organization data, purchase info record data. Okay, these two tables are related to purchase related info records. Okay, this all 10 tables are, if you observe all these 10 tables, I had given only 10, but in document if you see here, there are so many tables are there. There are so many database tables. Okay, all no need to remember, at least try to remember related tables, this 10 at least. Okay, at least for our application design purpose. Okay, our explanation purpose. Okay, these are all are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 11 tables. These are all database table. If you observe here database tables, which letter is started first? L, E, M, L, okay, E. See, all tables are started with within the range of this A to X letter. That's why we are calling these tables, or we are calling predefined, or we are calling either standard, or we are calling either SAP delivered. Okay, any name. Okay, any name. Okay, Satish, any doubt here?
No, sir. No.
Okay. Okay. Amit?
Okay.
Okay. Now, these are all related. Like that, we have SD related application. This is okay, like based on application wise, we will remember the codes. Now, I am going to write here SD, sales and distribution. This is is material management database tables. Because if you know this table, then only we will write the reports. That's what I am giving the first class itself. I am giving the list of the database tables. Okay, we will see these tables only for reference purposes. Okay, reference. But I will create it customized. But that creation, if you want to learn, first you have to understand the existing information. Okay, what are their existing? Why we are using this existing? Why can't you create this one? Means if it is everything is existing, then if client is giving his requirement, own requirement, then you have to create that requirement. We have to go for compulsory customized. For that, you have to learn here customized tables also. Okay, this is all SAP is delivered everything, but as a developer, you need a good idea about standard tables also and customized tables. Customized tables creation anyhow I will discuss in classroom each and everything. But standard table, how it is linked? If I want to link standard table to customized table, how we do this one? All steps you have to learn in this total course. Okay, this total course. Now I'm going to give you some table information. So this is a table related to, okay, down only I will write it. Okay, SD tables I will write. Sales and distribution. Okay, SD means sales and distribution. Sales and distribution. Okay, distribution tables. Sales and distribution data, standard tables, or predefined tables, any name. In this very important table is KNA1. Okay, there LFA1, here in KNA. Here, okay. here LFA1, here SD tables, SD. SD tables. Okay, under SD tables, here KNA1, this is a customer table. This is a customer master table. Customer or general table, customer table, or customer master, customer master table. This main means if without KN customer, there is no SD. Okay, without vendor, there is no MM. These are all the basic tables, primary tables, primary key tables. Without these tables, there is no material management model. Okay, without KNA1 table, there is no SD table, like that. Okay, like that, like that. KNA1, like that. VBAK. Okay, this is a sales document, header table, okay, sales document, header table, like that. VBAP. Okay, sales document, item table, okay, sales document, item table. Okay, next. VBUK, okay, sales document, header status, sales document, header status. Okay, KNB1, okay, that is a customer company code, customer master company code data, Same KNBK, customer master. They almost look like customer master bank information data. Okay, bank information, like that. Some okay, important still it is there. So many VBAK, VBUK. Okay, next. Okay, let it be like this. KNBK, then VBEP. Okay, schedule line data. Okay, sales document, schedule line data. VBEP, schedule document, schedule line data. Okay, next LIKP, LIPS, LIKP. Okay, delivery, sales document, delivery related. LIKP, LIPS. Okay, these are all very important, very important related information I am giving. Because we will develop based on this only. Okay, in coming sessions, some reports or something like giants. Okay, we can use it. Even you can create customized, but customized is okay, what is the necessity to create a client requirement? But everything we can use standard in real time. Okay, customized for your understanding the what exactly, how to create that customized tables, how to join the customized tables, that you will learn it. But in real time, we'll use customized as well as standard. Both you can use it. Okay, as per the requirements. Okay, only standard tables, only customized tables. It's not there in anywhere in the world. Okay, anywhere. All like whatever table name is existed in India, same table like globally, you can use the same table for vendor only. Okay, any customer, any client, they have to use compulsory with the same naming only. Okay, otherwise there is no use of this product. Otherwise there is no use of product. If they want to use everything customized for them, okay, implementation cost will be increased. Means only for developing that particular okay applications itself, it will take like a month time. Okay, if you want to design this type of hundreds of database table, not possible for the client. That's why the client will use existing tables and some as per the like not existing related application related tables, and using existing tables and using non-existing tables, and they will develop their own applications. That is possible. Okay, that is possible. Okay, this is about the some MM related application table and SD related application tables. Okay, like HR also I will give some two tables are. Okay, this is FI tables. I am giving only two tables. FI means financial tables. That is
BK, BKEF, BSCG. So, name is called BSCG, BKPF. Okay, BSCG means, let me open. BSCG is the accounting document segment. Okay, accounting document segment. This is the very less. Most of the projects you will work either MM and SD related only. That's what. There is no need to remember the even FI tables also. It depends on you. Okay, means if you want to show the FI related application, then you have to accounting document header. Okay, document header. Like these two tables, which we can use frequently for header accounting related information for finance model. Okay, finance model. Now 4 applications I am giving. MM I had given, SD I had given here, sales and distribution. Now FI related, then I am going to give you HR related. HR. These are all related to HR tables. HR tables. Under HR tables, HR tables, PA 0002. It is nothing but a personal information. PA 0006. You can call address information. So many are there, but I am giving address information. PA 00, PA 00, 21. Your family information. PA 022. Your education. Like that, some very important take course are there. Any important. Like any salary related information. PA 008. Okay, salary information. Salary information. You can call basic. Excuse me, basic. Like this. Excuse me. Okay, like this, all the standard tables are there. Okay, standard table. This is HR tables. These are all HR. Sorry, all are HR tables. All are HR tables. Like this 4 application related, almost 20 tables I had written here. These 20 tables, if you are very good, it is easy to explain to the interviewer. Okay, it is easy to crack the any interview. Okay, at least MM related 2 applications, SD2 related 2 applications, standard applications. If you prepare, you can explain to the interviewer. That same scenarios only can explain. No issue. No need to go for that in depth also, because they will expect from you. You already worked on that or you are not. Okay, if you worked on what are the concepts you worked on, that concepts you have to explain to the interviewer. Okay, that is the interview. Now this is about the tables. If you have any doubt, these tables I will show it. Okay, I'm sorry, I will explain it. But now I'm going to show how to check the information, how to check these tables. These are all standard. I did not create here. I'm still I did not start here still. Okay, we can start from tomorrow onwards customize tables. But today I'm going to give here some overview about what is LFA1, what is EKK, or what is KNA1. 2 or 3 tables I'll show, and what is table and what is data. Okay, both I can show it. Okay, both I can show it. If you have any doubt, ask me. I will clarify it based on standard. Okay, based on standard. I told you, I'll repeat one more point. This is also one question. Okay, what is a letter you can start for the customized tables? Which letters you can start it? Either Y or Z or G. Y or Z is the tables. Y or G is the tables. Z are the tables. Names we can start it customized. Then another question: what are the naming convention for standard means? A to X letters. You can see here. Here K is there. Here L is there. Here E is there. Here V is there. Here okay, some EB is there. Here M is there. Okay, like that. Here you can B is there. Here you can P is there. Means tables are different. Okay, the database tables are different letters they used. That's why those letters we can use it as per standard. They already used. We cannot use it. Even if you try to use the name, say now Gangadhar table, I want to create it. Ganga table. Okay, system. If I want to create my own table, system it won't allow. See, I use here G, that is in restriction state, A to X letter. Okay, if I click create, it will ask access key. Okay, access key means we don't have rights. Then the same Ganga table, if I add here Z, okay, then system will try to create the immediately here table name it is creating. Okay, that is we can call access level. Okay, Satish, you understood this point? Or Praveen, Amit?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Meaning, okay, yeah, meaning, okay, very simple. Okay, maybe if you enter any name, any either A letter or A to X letters, any letter, it won't allow. Okay, it won't allow. It will ask access key. Means as a developer, okay, you have to maintain some rules. That rule we are calling either Y or either Z. You have to starting. Then only system will allow. See here, now it is allowing. Y also is allowed. Now I don't want to save it. Okay, let me come back. Enter Z. Z also will allow. Then if you enter any other letter, starting letter, okay, as a custom related table, you cannot create it. Okay, you cannot create it. This in depth we'll see in tomorrow class onwards. Today, first let me start one small table. Okay, one or two tables I'll show here. Here first let's take here only SD only. I can start it. Table name is customer table. Now I have to see that is table and I have to see the data from this table also. Okay, both I will show. Okay, first let me discuss. This is a table I am going to show. First you have to know what is table, what is data. Okay, what is table? I told you table definition. You knew it already. Table is a okay, means table means it contains columns and as well as it is a combination of columns and rows. Combination of columns and rows. What is meaning of column here? What is meaning of row here? Okay, column means okay, custom number, okay, custom name, city, okay, phone number. Just only one small example I am explaining. City is one field, okay, phone number is one field. Next, customer number C1. It is here. Okay. Now this is a data. Okay, C3 because I think okay, let it be C3. Yes. Okay. No, wait. Now what I am trying to say, this is field 1, field 2, field 3, field 4. Okay, like that n number of 253 more than 2. Okay, in one table, some tables we have 50, some tables we have 5 table, some table we have 20 fields, some tables having 220 fields, 180 fields, 170. It depends upon the table. Like that, okay, each field is created. Okay, those they created field. This is field 1. This is field 2. Okay, that is field 2. This all fields we are calling columns. Okay, columns. Why I am explaining is by using these particular columns only we can see here. By using SC11 we can see. Using SC11 only first we can see the columns. But here I have to see the data. Data is related to your client. The data is related to your client. See, this data, it is related to your client. Means client will give you the data that according to his, like example, Tata Motors. Tata Motors is having separate vendor data. We have to maintain that vendor data. So we have to maintain Tata Motors vendor data. See, if it is Reliance vendor related data, we have to maintain. To maintain this type of information, Reliance related information or Tata related, client related information, that data we are calling, okay, row 1, row 2, row 3. Okay, these are all the rows, row 1, row 2, row 3. These are all we are calling records. Okay, here we have 2 points, records. Okay, one is fields means fields. One is fields, another one is records. Okay, another one is records. Records is separate and fields are separate here. Okay, fields are records meaning here first I'll show the what is field, what are the attributes of that particular field, then we'll see the record. Today we will learn here only this information. First, how to check the fields, how to check the records. Records are here, sample records are there. Those records only I am explaining. But in real scenario, we will load the bulk data also. Okay, bulk data. First, let me show that one table. What is field? What is column? What is row? Okay, this are all we can call rows. Okay, row 1. Okay, rows. Okay, go to here first step. Go to here. Okay, means to check the KNA1 any table. You can take any table, no problem. Any table, but now it is easy to understand the customer. That's why I am giving customer table. I am taking customer table. You can use either SE11 T code or SE12 T code to check the data. Okay, to check the data. Right on. Procedure I am giving. Okay, I think anybody installed in your system? SAP system?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, then you try to practice from today onwards. This is just only for display today, but tomorrow exercises I can start tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow onwards. But today just I am going to introduce here what is table, what is the data. Okay, what is table. First, I told you this is an interface. By using this interface, you know how to log in. From this front end, you have the SAP login. Okay, you might be configured this type of IP address. Okay, then you have to start your logon details. They allocated for one client for that username and password details. For you, maybe it is SAP user, I think, and password is India 123, I think. You have to enter that username and password as per your server. After entering, don't enter any wrong password more than 2 times. If you enter third time, then automatically it will get locked. Then he has to once again unlock it. Then it will take some time. Better don't enter first time if it is wrong here. First time it is wrong here like this. Then close this. Okay, close this one. Close. Then try once again here. Try once again. Then second time also is wrong. Then contact Karthik or some other. Okay, for me also you just message me. If I know, I will explain. Okay, the username. Okay, don't enter wrong password more than 2 times. If it is wrong password more than 2 times, means you have to contact administrator compulsory. Okay, contact. It will take another 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours to solve that issue. Means if he is free, then he will solve it. Otherwise, you have to wait for him. Okay, that's why my suggestion is don't enter wrong password more than 2 times. Okay, next. Yeah.
I just wanted to check, you got this remote one from the institute only, or how is it?
This is for me because for like training purpose.
Okay.
He had given this remote. Okay, he only shared me. Okay, the same. Okay, Karthik only shared me this one. Same user.
Okay. No. I just wanted to check in case if we want also like the remote, will they provide, or how is it?
That's what you have to ask to Karthik only, because if you want for any verification, I can share my login also.
But no, I have it one already. I have installed it on my system, but I am thinking share would be best, right? I was just thinking, let me. Okay, I'll talk to them.
Yeah, you can speak it. No, okay. Now I am going to show here like one application. This is a SE11 application. Okay, SE11. That SE11 is nothing but a data dictionary. Here we can create, change, display. But here I am not going to create here. I am not going to change today. Okay, because we are working on a display option. Then go to SE11. Okay, 1 second. SE11. Once if you enter SE11, it will pop up here. It is running here. This is a presentation server 2. That request is going to the application layer, and it is going to database. Then from database it is displayed in presentation. Here, what is the name of that? ABAP Dictionary initial screen. Here we have different concepts of that: table, view, structure, database, type group, domain, search, log. These all are. That is on basic related concepts I told you. Basic ABAP Dictionary. Okay, this next week full up to Monday, Tuesday, maybe it may extend also, maybe Monday minimum, Tuesday also. Why means because we have to learn here. Here only tables, three types of tables we can use it. Views 4 are there. Okay, once if you are strong these tables, these remaining all are very easy. Just only enhancements, only usage. Okay, all this. These tables, okay, at least 3 examples I will give only database tables. Okay, tomorrow onwards I will start that tables. Okay, first today we are checking the existing table. That existing tables I had given list, and yesterday I forwarded one document. In any of the table you can take it from the document also. Okay, but those many tables you no need to remember. That is only for just one reference. Okay, one reference. Now I am going to show here one table name that you can enter here. Table name is KNA1. Okay, KNA1. Enter. Okay, KNA1, and here we have to click here display button. Why display? We are not creating here. Okay, means it is already existed. This table is already existed. That is on. That's why we are calling predefined. You can see it is already existed. You can choose different. Okay, now I am going to check the table name KNA1. Click on display. Okay, click on display. Once if you click display, you can observe now KNA1 customer master table. What are the fields are there? Okay, 210 fields. What are the fields are? 210 fields. 210 fields are from database. So 210 fields are from database. Okay, from database. These all fields, if you observe here, these all fields are started their own naming conventions. Here, if it is customized, I will enter my own naming convention. Customer number I will enter. But here you can observe customer number. What is the field name? KUNR. What is the field name? Land 1. Land 1 means country. Name 1 means name. But these all are naming conventions in Germany related format. They created their own naming conventions. Okay, these all are 210 fields. All there means 210 columns like this. 210 field means like this. 210 columns are there. 210 columns. 210 columns. Okay, in database. But now I have to check the data. Any data is there in this table. Sample data only. It is not like exact client data. In your client, you will maintain the client data. But here sample data also is there here. Okay, to check the sample information, sample data information, we can write down this point also. You better maintain on some at least some reference notes. Okay, those particular points you can write down clearly step by step. But if you anyhow you are recording this video, but if you have that one option, then it is easy to navigate that. Okay, SAP. Okay, SAP look like easy, but while practicing, you will face some difficulties. Even for single step also, it will take some time. Sometime okay, even 10 minutes, 15 minutes for you. Okay, for starting stage, as a starting stage, you have to be ready with your notes clearly, step by step. Then it is easy to understand the navigation. Okay, navigation. Once if you are perfect with this week and next or otherwise next 10 days, then it is easy to understand or it is easy to navigate. No problem. Now I'm going to show here utilities. This is the path utilities, table contents, and here we don't have any rights to create. Okay, any rights to create. Why? Because SAP is delivered standard. This they already with the restrictions they maintained here. Okay, as a standard, the restrictions maintained means if it is allowed, then we can maintain our own data. But here, what is they maintained here with the restrictions. Now, what is the use? What is the step here? You cannot create here. If you click here, you cannot create it. Then how to create it? As a ABAPer, that is only we can load the data. How to load means that BDC is the concept that we will see later. Now I am going to display here table content display option. Click on display option. Okay, once if you click display, you can observe here. Okay, here data browser. This is a table KNA1 is a table name. Okay, here it is a maximum number of hits is there. Maximum number of hits means only 2 means if you execute here directly, execute means F8 last class shortcut keyword I had given. Okay, directly you can execute it. Okay, 200 means only 200 only it will show. But in database you can identify by using clicking this number of entries. It will show all the entries from database. How many entries are there total? 8,518. records are there in database. If I want to see all the information, what I'll do, I'll remove this 200 information, maximum number of bits. If I execute here, it will show all 8518 records. It will show here all 8518 records. It will show. These are all you can call entries. But here, if I want to filter only country wise, okay, example, or region wise, or any other, okay, some particular wise, or a range like only 1000 to 2000 records. If I want to say, you can filter the data also. You can filter. Say from 1000 to 2000, only 110 entries are there. Okay, 110 means like you can easily identify, okay, which related information this is. Okay, what type of information we can check it. This is like a filter. This is like a filter, like screen we can call screen, selection screen. Okay, you can call selection screen. Okay, using this selection screen, even you can modify the screen also. That is we can call fields for selection is there one option. If you want to change the modification here, settings. This all you will learn later also. Just only explaining this input screen. Here I want to land. I want to filter country wise. I don't want to filter range wise. Country. Okay, here I'll selected land one here. Here country has come here. Country. You can see. I don't. If I execute here, all countries data is displayed here. But here I'll remove here. I'll enter only India customers. If I enter only India, IN, I execute, only Indian customers are there. Okay, 12 customers are there. Okay, 12 customers. You can see. All are Indian customers are created by users only. These are all created by users. Now, if I check like US, okay, US or UK, okay, any data, US, execute it. It will show all US entries, almost 4,091 records are there. Okay, 4,091 records are there in database. It depends upon the country. Means Germany, DE. Okay, if you enter GE, 2,780 records are there. Okay, like these are country wise also you can filter it. What I am trying to explain here, this is data. This is data. This data is related to your client. Means that is client dependent. This data is related to client dependent. His own data, we have to feed it. To feed this data and to manipulate this data, to change the data, to create the data. Okay, as a developer, we will write some programs, and a developer will enhance the program. That concept only we can call ABAP. Meaning, SAP is delivered all the informations, all the tables, everything is delivered. Then what is your work? Means your client will ask, okay, this is my data, for this is my application. You just design this type of reports, you just design this type of forms, and you load this data. Okay, that every day you will load those type of data, or those type of application related data, those type of report data. That concept only you can call ABAP programming. ABAP programming. Here, to design this type of table and to design this type of entries data, we never write any code. Okay, we will use it in navigation. Okay, clearly we can use a step-by-step navigation, like by using go to S11, Z table name, click on create button. This type of navigation you will learn from tomorrow onwards. Okay, tomorrow onwards. Okay, this is the one customer. See, even Z can also is existed. I can use some other table. You can create here. See, I can create it. This create tomorrow I will show you tomorrow. Okay, let me show one more table, Mara table. This is another table. Mara means material master table. Okay, this is a table. Any table you can check the same procedure. Okay. Or instead of checking like this, I'll show one more. I'm introducing one more take code, that is SE16. I'll show here now SE16. Instead of going for this one, SE11, SE16. But difference you can understand now. If I enter here SE16, advantage of SE16 is directly table name it will ask. There is no like create, change, display. If you observe in data dictionary, what are there? Okay, 3 options are there. What are those options? Create, change, here. But here nothing is there. Nothing there. Just only table name it will ask. Enter the table name, Mara. Enter. Direct entry, directly data browser only. Directly you can see the data. Okay, directly you can see the data. Understood this difference? SC11 and SC16. Okay, SC11 means you have to go to the procedure. Okay, enter the table name, display button. Then to check the data, you have to go to utilities. Then table content, display button. Then you have to click here continue button. Then you have to click here execute button. Okay, execute button. It will take, it means so many steps are there. It is having so many steps. But by using SC16, only one T code. Let's see SC16. Okay, data browser, enter table name, enter execute. Okay, enter execute. Okay, this is about the SC16. And today, okay, just to go through means logins related practice. Just go and go to here. Each and okay, here I given list transaction code. Almost 10 transactions I had given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay, around 10. Okay, these 3 codes. So you just go to here, check. Okay, as per your practice level, just check like what is SC11, is it correct or not. Okay, write down the same name. Then what is the difference between SC11 and SC12? Check that data dictionary. Then SC13. Okay, I had given list. You can go to just check that list today and be comfortable with the SC11 and SC12. And then after that, how to check the database tables. At least 2-3 tables you can practice. This existing tables, LFA1, EKKO, EKPO, using SC11. Okay, SC11. Okay, Mara table, how to enter the display. Okay, how to enter the display. Then utilities, table contents, display, then number of entries. Okay, 17,000 entries are there. Like that. Check that entries, how to execute that entries. This is we can call execute symbol. Okay, execute symbol, F8. This like that. So practice today and tomorrow. Okay, we will create one customized tables. Okay, how to create our own table, how to insert our own data. Okay, customized tables I can start tomorrow onwards. Okay, Amit, okay. Any doubts here about standard related information, T code related information? Okay, Amit, Praveen, Satish.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. You can do one thing. Yeah. Today you can still if it is not installed, today you can just ask him today. He will try to install, and tomorrow onwards, okay, customer